Good evening, teacher, and hello, everyone. My name is Hoi Vatana. Today, I'm talking about my weekend. This weekend, I have a few fun and relaxing things I want to do. I'm going to clean my room and do some laundry. I like to take my space and keep the nap. After that, I plan to meet my friend at the cafe near my house. We usually drink a coffee and talk about our week. In the evening, me and my younger brother went to the park. Go to the park to walking and watching people. If the weather nice, we might have some ice cream too. On the Sunday morning, I get up early because I want to finish my book, mystery book. I like to read the book and drink something under the tree. I hope my weekend is better than this weekend. Thank you, teacher, and thank you everyone for listening.